Hi everyone, it's Steve here from Did Your Life Enabled. Now, if you've been following our broadcasts for some time, you realise I'm an advocate of promoting continuous professional development, promoting the idea of you and I getting a mentor to support us in new initiatives. And I believe that we should practice what we preach. So if I'm telling others to go and find a mentor to help them on a path, that's something that I should be doing myself. And so I just want to share with you this week something of my own mentorship journey as I've been mentored this week with the team and the mentors that we're offering you as well. And there are many benefits to having a business mentor. They've often made mistakes and they can share those mistakes with you so you don't have to make them. They have their finger on the pulse. They give a different perspective than you have. They can challenge you as well. And these are all things that are useful to have when you're starting out and continuing to scale a business in the online world. That's one of the reasons why we recommend you find a business mentor as well. And so I've been engaged with Christian Bear. Christian's one of the mentors here in the community, and what he's done a 30-day YouTube challenge. So I've signed up for that, and I'm a few weeks into that challenge now, and it's been quite interesting and humbling and exciting to learn from Christian. And something of Christian's backstory: he's from Sweden, and about 10 years ago the sector that he was in recession, and he actually lost his business as a business owner. So he came into what's known as affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is whereby you can sell other people's services or products and gain a commission for those sales. So you don't actually have the product yourself or the service, but what you do is you're making recommendations about those products and services, and that's how you can actually generate an income through doing that, through creating adverts and marketing banners and so on and so forth. And he was able to generate an income through that, working from home, and he's now in a place where he's not only doing that affiliate marketing, but he's also working as a consultant for a number of big companies actually, and helping them as they've outsourced their marketing, and he's running their marketing for them, particularly on YouTube, running YouTube adverts. And what's interesting is the skills that he's learned from the mentors community himself here, which is what we're offering you and signposting you to as well. He's been able to develop this business, and actually now he's charging $5,000 a month per client for effectively what he's saying is it's about 15 to 20 minutes effort a day. So that's about 6 to 7 hours effort a month for certain clients, and he's able to charge $5,000 US dollars for that as a fee. And these clients are willing to pay that, and some of them are investing $50,000 plus a month in their marketing, and they're handing that over to Christian to scale the business for them and the marketing campaigns for them. And what's interesting is, with even these very large companies and the volumes of money that Christian is responsible for on behalf of these companies, he starts his marketing campaigns with a very small budget for often less than $20 a day on a marketing campaign for these large companies. And he starts with that small amount until he's sure that the advertising campaign, the data he's getting back from that campaign is robust, and that he can see the links in that campaign are working, in the sense that this particular campaign is reaching the target audience and they're getting people buying things. And then they can start to scale that or tweak it using various indicators to find out, well, what's wrong with a particular advert? Why are people not buying with this advert? And there are various tools and techniques you can use to refine an advert to make it more optimized for the particular market that you're working in. And once you understand the data around that, you can then start to scale it from $20 a day to $30, and then you can refine it a bit more and scale it up to $40, $50, $60, until some of these companies, as I say, they're spending in excess of $50,000 on marketing a month, and they're getting a very good ROI on that. And Christian was encouraging us, to start small with what we have, with the budgets that we have. We can start on $1 a day marketing if that's what we have, and make sure it works. The marketing, make sure we've got the data, the feedback from the marketing efforts are coming back right, and we've got everything aligned. And once we're spending $1 a day, we can start to scale it to $2 a day, $3 a day, $4 a day. So you don't have to put these huge sums of money into a marketing campaign to start off. What you need to do is take these small, measurable steps that you can keep control of to ensure that the campaign is actually healthy. And when you're starting to make an income from that campaign, you can start to scale it and increase the marketing budget to increase your audience, and then obviously increase your revenue. So that's something that I've been doing. I found it really interesting. These sessions as well, they are recorded, so if you miss anything in the sessions that you have with the mentors, you can always go back and review it. I mean, the last workshop that we did with Christian, it was almost 3 hours, and it was very, very up to date. Now, when you're advertising on YouTube, you're using something called Google Ads, and what's interesting I found with Google Ads is their algorithms are changing so rapidly that what is released this week can be different next week, and so on and so on and so forth. It's very hard to keep up to date with it. And even sometimes, with all due respect to the Google support technical people, and if you're watching this, Google technical support, I do respect you, but sometimes even the Google support technical people are behind the curve with what's happening with their own algorithms. But when you have people like Christian and others who are making significant sums of money, and their businesses and livelihood rely on understanding these algorithms, sometimes I found some of the mentors who are working with these tools and Google Ads, they can give more relevant advice than sometimes some of the platform support officers can. That's just been my experience. So that's why I found it really helpful to have business mentors and coaches who are, they're living and breathing this stuff, and you can just kind of come into their space and learn from them. So much. It would take you so long to try and find out or work out these things if you're doing this on your own. So one of the reasons why we encourage people to find a business mentor and coach is because, from our experiences, it's actually worth it. It's time saving. It can challenge the way you think. It opens your mind to new possibilities, keeps you accountable as well. And of course, you can ask direct questions from people who are really at the cutting edge of some of these new business systems and get their input into where you are on your business journey. So I just wanted to share that with you. That's something of my own business mentoring experience so far. I'm on the 30-day YouTube challenge with Christian, one of the mentors here, and I'm certainly now going to do what's most important of all, having spent time with a mentor, put into action that which I need to put into action, because we can all talk about things, we can all hear about things and listen and learn, but ultimately we need to put into action the changes we need to incorporate. So that's it for now, and I wish you every success with your own online business ventures at this time. Take care till next time.